commercial varieties of silk, mainly of mulberry silk, which is a very woman-friendly, and around 23,000 metric tons of silk we are producing against the demand of 28,000 metric tons of raw silk. We have a strong domestic drive. So this opportunity, we have started importing this few raw silk also to meet this demand. So this opportunity has been started being exploited by some unscrupulous traders and mixing our a very famous ethnic and traditional silk with other unscrupulous threads and selling the material as a pure silk. Ultimately, the consumer is get cheated and where is being paying price for the silk for the non-silk material. With this, Central Silk Board has taken up a silk mark organization of India to introduce a silk mark like wool mark for wool, all mark for gold, silk mark for silk. It is for to ensure the quality of the silk. So this silk mark, through Silk Mark Organization of India, Central Silk Board has initiated this scheme during the year 2004. We have almost crossed 10 years of its existence and we have crossed lot of mileage over the period of 10 years, and we have established some nearly 10 to 11 chapters across the country to educate the farmers. So this is one aspect. One is educating the farmers, and this Silk Mark Organization of India contemplated many programs, not only for educating the consumers, it is also to bring the traders, weavers in one platform, including the consumers, so that the consumers will get an opportunity to know that what exactly across the country, what are the silk being produced, what is the quality, and what is the nature of the silk. This is one event with this Silk Mark Organization of India is conducting through its silk expos. Under this expo, we have this Hyderabad chapter of silk, Hyderabad chapter of SMILE, Silk Mark Organization of India, is holding this recent Srimati Silk Mark. This has been started, this initiative has been started in the last year, and this is the second successful year of starting this event, where the women folk, we are targeting the women folk because sericulture is basically meant for, the silk is basically for women. So women, as the saying goes, educating one woman is one village is educated. That way we are targeting and we are educating the women, and this through this addition, it is not only a cultural event, it is not only for the women educating the women, we are also going to bring through this media, through this pageant, and educating the entire forum, entire region, entire country ultimately. This is our ultimate goal, and this pageant will be held today, and some additions will be taken place today. So, and our juries will be going to select the ultimate finalist. Maybe nearly 15 to 20 finalists will be selected, and they will be finale will be held on 25th of this month, September, at Shilpakala Vedika. I think I request all of them to participate in this grand finale to encourage this and to join for our road cause. So our Silk Expos will be started commencing from 23rd to 29th of this September at same Shilpakala Vedika. Kindly, pardon? I request all of them to participate in this event as also Silk Mark Expo, where we are bringing the traders, consumers, everybody. We are giving also in one platform, we are creating an avenue for all the traders, weavers in one platform. There is one opportunity, and this also for the Hyderabadis to come and participate in this event, and also to participate in the Silk Expos, where they can gain lot of knowledge. It's not only knowledge, they can also purchase this pure quality silks at the discounted price also, because we are creating a platform for these weavers, it in one platform, and we are creating a avenue for this marketing of the silk product. So instead of a third man, it's a third party taking them and selling the things, we are giving a direct opportunity to sell our product. Naturally, there will be a lot of discount will be there. There won't be any additions for that value. So I request all the Hyderabadis, say Andhra Pradesh and Telangana people, come and participate in the expo and do participate and get the lot of discount about the silk, know the silk, understand the silk, quality of the silk, and also who are all the participants down the line, who are all there in the processing of silk, who are all involved in the silk, kindly understand. That is what we wanted to educate through our smile. The silk mark is not only just to ensure the quality, it is also to just educate the farmers, educate the media, educate the people, educate all the people to what is silk, what is the quality. This is our tradition. We want to continue to our tradition. Silk is a culture, silk is a woman, woman is a silk. That's what our idea, that's what this pageant is organized. So this is the background of this pageant, why only this woman, Srimati Silk is being organized. So I already expressed, nearly 40 to 60% of the women force are there in production of silk. That many of us are not aware how women force is involved in the sericulture. This we have to highlight, then we have to empower the women. Through this pageant, through this media, through this our expos, we want to highlight the things so that how we are empowering the women slowly, how India is coming up by empowering the women, by taking all the advantage of this. Thank you. At this juncture, I would like to extend my all thanks to media persons and my juries are here. I will, and also the participants who have come for this auditions. Thank you. Thank you.